Sealed bearings are used in many machines, bikes, and other equipment to help parts move smoothly. They come pre-greased and are protected by seals to keep dirt and water out. Removing the bearing carefully is the first and most important step in re-greasing sealed bearings. Begin by identifying the bearing and any parts covering it, such as wheels, caps, or screws, and remove them using the proper tools. Keep track of washers, spacers, or small components, as losing them can make reassembly difficult. Work slowly and in a clean, well-lit area to prevent dirt from contaminating the bearing. Taking your time ensures the bearing remains intact and ready for cleaning and re-greasing. Cleaning the bearing thoroughly is essential before re-greasing sealed bearings to remove old grease, dirt, and debris. If possible, carefully remove the bearing's rubber seals to access the inner parts without tearing them. A properly cleaned bearing allows new grease to spread evenly and ensures smooth, long-lasting performance. Using a turbo wash to clean sealed bearings offers several benefits that make the process faster and more effective. The high-speed cleaning action removes dirt, old grease, and debris from even hard-to-reach areas inside the bearing. It reduces the effort and time needed compared to manual cleaning, making maintenance quicker. It also helps prevent damage to the bearing by cleaning gently yet thoroughly. It ensures that the bearing is completely free of contaminants before re-greasing, which improves performance. Applying new grease is a crucial step in re-greasing sealed bearings to ensure smooth and long-lasting performance. Choose a high-quality bearing grease and apply a small amount to the inner balls or rollers, rotating the bearing as you go to distribute it evenly. Avoid over-greasing, as too much grease can create friction and push dirt out of the seals. Carefully replace any rubber or metal seals to protect the bearing from dust and moisture. Make sure the grease reaches all moving parts for optimal lubrication. Properly greased bearings reduce wear, prevent corrosion, and help the equipment run smoothly. First, apply a small amount of oil to the bearing area to help it slide in smoothly. Reinstalling the bearing carefully is essential to ensure it functions properly after re-greasing. Align the bearing with its housing and gently press it in, making sure it goes in straight to avoid bending or damaging the inner components. Use a soft mallet or press tool if needed, but avoid hitting the bearing directly with a hard object. After reinstalling the bearing, pour a small amount of oil into the bearing area to ensure smooth operation and proper lubrication. Once installed, spin the bearing to check that it rotates smoothly without resistance or noise. So, by applying these tips and using the right products, you can easily re-grease a sealed bearing.